Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Paprika recipe manager free app review to see with what's using. So in this video I'm going to quickly dive into this mobile app, which is Paprika recipe manager, to help you decide if this mobile app can be a game changer for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about the Paprika recipe manager 3 app is one of the best tools for organizing recipes, meal planning and grocery list in one place. It automatically saves recipe from website, synchronize them across all your entire devices, and even help with meal prep by scaling ingredients and tracking pantry items. That said, it's a paid app though, so with no free version. So if you want to get access to this app, you have to pay for it. No free version, and the interface can feel dated for some users. So in conclusion or overall, the app worth using for serious home cook who wants a powerful all-in-one kitchen organizers without no frills. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review.